First things first, appreciate your support. So this is a Bosch Max tumble dryer that was running a few minutes, then it stops. Like it will only run like a minute or 2 minutes, then it stops. So this is how I fixed it, and this is what you can do to your tumble dryer. Before you proceed, kindly like, share, and subscribe. So this dryer was in a bad state. It's quite an old dryer, 29 years old. She was given this as a wedding present. So if your dryer is not functioning properly, maybe it's taking long to dry, consuming a lot of electricity, it could be related to a service issue. So she had cleaned the lint filters that were very, very, very clean, but the condenser was clogged, extremely clogged. But the dryer should still work anyway, but it will take time and it won't stop after 2 minutes. So on tumble dryers, there is a moisture sensor. It's always where we have it's situated where we have the lint filter. So when your tumble dryer is not drying, these are the things you have to look at. Make sure you identify where the moisture sensor is. So on this one here, the moisture sensor was completely covered in lint. So you know what happens when it's covered in lint? The dryer, the power control panel, detects that there's nothing cold. There's no moisture in the drum. So it's like the drum is empty. So there is no need for the control panel to communication to the heating elements, to continue heating the heating elements when the drum is empty. So what happens is it will start and then completely shuts. So that's what happened. So what I did is clean the moisture sensor, ensure that it had no lint around it, and then I did thorough service, which is also in another video that I'll share shortly, and the dryer worked comfortably. It worked properly as it should, I mean. So if you have a tumble dryer that it's faulty, please work on servicing it. Ensure the tumble dryer is clean. Thank you so much for the support, and make sure to subscribe. I love you guys.